After creating a structure, there are many other small pieces you have to add with this structure. It can be cassette, plate, end plate, or any other custom type pieces. In this lesson, we will learn how to add a plate with this weldment structure. To add the plate, I have to use this extruded boss tool, which is exactly same tool available inside this features tab. To add this plate, I have to draw a sketch. I will draw a sketch at this face because I need a top plate. So right click and select sketch. And take this 4 line. Then select convert entities. Now activate this extruded boss tool. I will go with 10 mm, then press OK. Change this plate color to red. And one thing you have to keep in mind that when you will create this extrude boss feature, this merge result is unchecked. Normally, when you will create any different type of plate inside this weldment structure, SolidWorks by default keep this unchecked. So this is my top plate. Now I want to add few bottom plate. So create another sketch on this face. Now activate this extruded boss tool and give 10 mm thickness. Now apply mirror tool to mirror this plate. Use mirror tool again. So this way you can add plate with your weldment structure.